There are various types of data. One is primary or secondary data. Second, qualitative or quantitative data. Third, discrete or continuous data. Fourth, cross-sectional, longitudinal, or panel data. We will discuss these types of data one by one. Now we can understand what is actually meant by primary data. Friends, primary data is original in nature. It is first-hand information and it is collected by the invigilator or the investigator for himself because he want to study a particular problem and he collected information related to that particular problem. So it is a problem specific and it is also a objective oriented because the invigilator or the researcher has some objectives in the research problem. So to get these objectives into mind, he collected the information. The primary data is more reliable and it is the authentic information and it is also relevant to the study. Friends, but one thing that we need to keep in mind while dealing with this primary data is it involves more time and more money because we need to prepare some sort of questionnaire and we need to fill up this questionnaire from respondents. So we want to go there and fill up the forms. So it takes some more time and also the cost of getting primary data is more. But one thing which is very important in primary data is it shows latest information because it is the first hand information and we are going through the problem in the research problem, so it shows latest information. And also one thing is very important is it requires elaborate organization. So the organization is big, it is possible for them to collect such type of big data. So we will take some examples related with primary data. The first example is, suppose we want to understand COVID-19 psychological impact on peoples in a particular district or area or town. So to understand this COVID-19 psychological impact, we need to collect the information. And this information is a primary data. Second one, to understand the buying behavior of customers for green products. So what is the buying behavior of green products? We want to prepare a questionnaire and we need to fill up this questionnaire from respondents. So that is again the second example of a primary data. The third example is to analyze the preference of screen time among different age groups. So friends, preferences of screen time means there are the various screen time. We can time preferences like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Z5 or Extreme. Likewise, so we need to understand the preference of screen time among different age groups. So we need to collect the information from these age groups. All these are the primary data. There are various methods of collecting primary data, like observation method, interview method, and questionnaire method. Observation method, the researcher or the invigilator only observes the nature of that particular problem. Suppose if I want to only understand the buying behavior of customers, then I am not the part of this experiment. I am only observing what are the buying behavior of customers for green products. So one way is to get primary data is observation method. We observe the problem and get information from that observation, notate these and collect the primary data. The another one is interview method. Interview method, so either we go for personal interview or telephone interview. In personal interview, we are facing one-to-one. We are asking some questions to the interviewer, ask some questions to interview the person whose interview is taking. So there is face-to-face conversation and one can read the pace of the person who is responding. So personal interview has some advantages. The telephonic interview is another way where we can get the primary information, which we can call the person, may ask some questions like it may be a structured or unstructured. So he respond that particular questions and the interview goes on. We have seen in some interview taken by some radio stations where the actor or the person, the anchor asks some questions to the corresponding actor or the person, he responds it. Interview goes on. It is a telephonic interview where the two persons are from different places, so they are connected with a telephone. So one asks the questions and the second one responds it. It is a telephonic interview. So the interview may be structured or unstructured. Structured means a person whose interview we are taking. So initially we give them some questions. These questions are known to him. He prepared the answers for that questions, and then a interview takes place. So that is a structured manner of getting interview. The another one is unstructured. Unstructured means instantly one may ask some questions and the another one responds it. It is a unstructured. In structured we have some questions, unstructured we have not the questions. So another way of getting primary data is questionnaire method. Questionnaire method means that is the list of questions. We send it to the respondent fill it and get it back to the researcher. There is different ways of getting this question. One is a structured or another one is a unstructured. Like in interview, structured means the questions are prepared, send it to the respondent. So he responds the questions, he fill up the answers to that questions, and again it goes to the researcher. Second one is an unstructured questionnaire. In unstructured questionnaire, respondent may ask the questions which the researcher is interested. Questionnaire may be a open-ended or close-ended or both. Close-ended means suppose if I restrict the answer to some options, the buying behavior or in the screen time preferences, if I restrict the age group only two options, it may be option one is ZEE5 and the second one option is supposed to be Amazon Prime. These are only two options, and person or the respondent may respond to this only. Out of these two, he may select only one. So that is a close-ended. Open-ended, he may take any number of options. That means he may say that my screen preferences are Amazon Prime, he may say ZEE5, he may say Netflix, he may say Tel Extreme. So likewise, questionnaire may be both. So it may be open-ended and it may be close-ended.